So let's just talk about multi-level inheritance in Python. So the multi-level inheritance is where a class is derived from a class that is already derived from another class. Like an example, suppose we have class A. Now the class A is derived by the child class B. So that is the single inheritance. Now suppose we have another class C and the class is derived from the class B. So here it creates one chain of inheritance. So this type of inheritance is called the multi-level inheritance. So here the child class C can access properties and methods of class B, and also it can access the properties and methods of the class A. So here previously we have talked about the single inheritance where we have one single parent class and we have one single child class. So the car class can access the properties and methods of the vehicle class. Now in case of multi-level inheritance, we have another class like sports car. Now the sports car going to inherit the car class. Now inside the sports car class we have the method accelerate, and here it prints sports car is accelerating. So the car class inherit properties and methods from the vehicle class. The sports car is inheriting from the car class. So this sports car class can access properties and method from the car class and also from the vehicle class. So now we can create the object of the sports car class, and we can use that object. We can access the accelerate method, which is from the sports car. Obviously we can do that, and also we can use that to access the method from this car class. So we can call the drive method, and not just this, also we can use that object, and also we can call start method. So you can see here we have the output. So this way we can create the multi-level inheritance in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.